I have 49,000 plus community on Instagram, and every single opportunity in my career, from freelance clients to two full-time jobs, every single penny, the MacBook, the tablet, the camera, the lights, the what we can say, the monitor, the books I bought, every single thing I bought from content creation. The goal of this video is very simple. I want to make you guys to create content. So in the next few minutes, I'll tell you how content creation can change your life, and I'll also give the plan to kickstart your content journey. So the first thing I want to discuss is content is your 24/7 resume, portfolio, sales page, and every single thing about you. So this is how content creation works. You post something on the internet, people discover you, they relate, they connect emotionally, it builds trust with the people, and people start buying from you. And people also give opportunities to you. Let's take my example. I've taken 30-day challenge back in 2020 to post something about design for 30 days straight. In that 30-day journey, I got my first freelance client, which paid me 25,000 rupees per month. And I've taken 100-day challenge back in 2021, which actually landed me a high-paying remote US job, which paid me $3,000 per month, which is 2.5 lakhs Indian rupees per month. This is how powerful content creation can be. So because of content creation, you can get a lot of remote opportunities. You're not going to travel to office. You're not going to deal with some shit office politics. You are going to work on your own terms. You can go to gym anytime you want. You can hang out with your friends and family anytime you want. And most importantly, you can work from anywhere. And one huge advantage of content creation is, if you're a small town boy like me, the opportunities you get is not limited to your city or your state. You can reach every corner of the world. And the second thing is, when you create content consistently, the platform pushes to global markets. And when you get seen in global markets, the chances of getting remote opportunities will increase a lot. And when you get opportunities from US, UK, Europe, and countries which has high currency value than India, you will earn a lot of money because you are earning in dollars or euros and spending in rupees. And the third thing is, you can create a multiple sources of income. You will get freelance clients, you will get brand collaborations. You can create a digital product and sell on Instagram. For example, I got 994 sales on this digital product I published 2 years ago. You can also give one-on-one mentorship. And if you're creating content on YouTube, you can also earn from Google AdSense. So this powerful content creation it will unlock a lot of opportunities you can't even imagine, and it can change your life. And in the next few minutes, I'll tell you how you can get started with content creation and post consistently. First, you need to pick your niche. What I mean is, find your interest, find what excites you, what is your expertise, and most importantly, people should get some value out of that skill. After finding that, you need to find 3 content pillars. For example, I create content around freelancing and product design. So my content pillars are something like this. The first one is, I want to educate people around product design. The second one is, I want to teach people how to create design systems. And the third one is, I want to help people to get their first client in their freelance journey. So these are my 3 content pillars. I create content around these 3 topics. So create your content pillars like this to your niche too. Next, you need to start creating content. You need at least 7 content pieces ready so that you will stay consistent throughout your content journey. So after creating that 7 posts, start hitting that post button every single day for the next 100 days at least. You can choose your own platform. I recommend Instagram to start with because you can see a quick growth on that platform if you post consistently for the next 100 days. So do this for the next 100 days. It will bring a lot of good opportunities for you. If you're in college, you're very lucky, you don't have anything to lose. But if you're a working employee, plan accordingly, take that calculative risk and start posting every day. Trust me, it will change your life. So that's it for today. Comment challenge accepted if you're in, and do subscribe for more content like this, and see you in the next one.